Good afternoon, this is Brad Langdon, MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to walk you through a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. We'll start up front with your big lounge seats. You have an interior lighting package on this boat that's RGB controlled. You have cup holders. You also have phone chargers here everywhere you see cup holders. Looking down at the floor, you're going to see your in-floor storage, very spacious with its own bilge pump. To the port side, you're going to have a door for entry. Very convenient, child-proof. This boat's equipped with 2 helm chairs that do swivel 360 degrees. Then moving to your dash, you're going to see 2 9-inch Simrad screens. Off to the starboard, you'll see your well-lit push-button switches with your digital throttle and control. Tilt steering wheel, your JL audio control system. Looking aft, you're going to see a very large seat that is a flip backrest, forward and backwards. It's called an SL Lounger. It's operated right here with a little switch. Very nice feature. Up top, you have a tower with a very large bimini to stay out in the sun if you choose to. Moving aft, you're going to see this boat is equipped with a 300 horsepower new V8 Mercury outboard. You also have a swim seat here to the port side aft. And you have fender storage port and starboard aft. You also have your tow bar right here. If this boat's something that interests you, please stop by and see us, MarineMax Lake Norman. Thank you, take care.